Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you will be fine. I am here with my new YouTube video. So today the topic of my video is about nail art, simple nail art and some jewelry, field jewelry like rings, pile and that. So as you see, there are red nail art with one ring, and this is some pink nail art. This is also very good. It look very beautiful. So these type of nail art and jewelry you will see in this video. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, do subscribe my channel and press bell icon. When you press bell icon, whenever I posted my new video, you will get the notification. Like this video, comment on this video and share this video. So without any further, let's get started. So as you see, there are very good nail art, and this is some simple red type. This is pink with some pile. This is the rings. This is some light pink color of nail paint. This is red. This is also the purple type of nail paint color. This is also good, and this is some good color. This is also the blue type of color. This is red with the rings, pile and everything. This is also nice. This is some golden light, and this is good. This is very nice, some red and green glitter, and this is also red. This is black nail paint. This is some shiny red glitter nail paint. This is blue nail paint. It is also very good. This is also the light color, pink type light. This is yellow color. So that's it for today's video. I'll see you in my next video which post soon inshallah, and Allah Hafiz. Bye bye, take care.